Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making chicken shawarma, and this is super delicious and it's super easy to prep as well. So let's get started. First things first is I have some chicken thighs and I am putting in about 3/4 cup of olive oil. Next up I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. If you want to add some more, definitely do so. 2 tablespoons of allspice. 1 tablespoon of coriander. 1 tablespoon of paprika. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Some salt. 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom. And lastly, about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And the best way for this chicken to be super flavorful is to leave it overnight. Let it absorb all of that flavor goodness in this bowl and just let it sit, and then it'll be ready the morning after. Once it's done marinating it, I am putting it on the stove in a pan and letting it fry for at least 7 minutes on each side. When it's frying up, I did put a lid on it just so that it keeps the temperature and the warmth right in the pan, and then lets that chicken cook really nicely. And also I find that if I do put a lid on it, it doesn't steam off all of that juicy goodness from the chicken. And there you see it is getting crispier, and again it still keeps that juiciness as well. And that is it, you guys. This is my recipe for the chicken shawarma. It's super delicious. I know I say this in all of my videos that these food is super delicious, but when I say it is, and you have to try it out. And the best way to eat this actually as well is I put mine in pita wraps, or you can use naan if you like, or even honestly just bread. Buy some baguettes from the supermarket and just put all of that chicken inside, add in your veggies, and don't forget your tzatziki sauce as well. So that is it for my video on the chicken shawarma, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and thank you very much for watching.